Welcome to episode 0 of the Rust programming language series. In this episode, we're going to install Rust, so if you've already done that, you can move ahead to episode 1. There are no prerequisites for this episode. Now, to install Rust, you want to open your web browser. I prefer Google Chrome. Then you want to use your preferred search engine and search for install Rust. The first link should be from the rust-lang.org website. And that should bring up a page similar to this one. Now on there, all you have to do is copy this installation command. And you can now exit your web browser and open up your terminal. And the terminal is in the utilities subdirectory in the applications folder. And the icon should look similar to this. Now once you have that opened, you need to paste in the command that we copied from the rust-lang website. And this is going to start the installation script. And the installation script is going to ask you what you want to do, and you just want to press enter to confirm that you want to proceed with the installation. And the installation script is now going to download and install all of the Rust components that are required, and some additional that are very nice to have, but more on this in a future episode. After the installation is complete, you want to tell your shell to always load the binaries when you start the terminal. And to do that, you want to open the .bashrc file in your home directory, and you want to copy this following line here. So open the .bashrc file, and then just paste in the command like so. To save, you press Ctrl O, and to exit, Ctrl X. When that's complete, start a new bash shell by just writing bash and then pressing enter. Now, to check if Rust has successfully been installed, you can write rust c. And if you get an output similar to this one, you know that the installation was successful. And if you get an output that says bash rust c command not found, unfortunately your installation was not successful. And as you can see, the installation is quite easy, and hopefully you won't encounter any issues. But make sure to watch episode 1 where we create a simple Rust program.